This is Crystal and Tara from Crafty Sides, Wreaths, and More. And Daryl's over here, but he's hiding. So, I told you. We come on a little bit early. We want to wait just a few minutes to see if anyone gets on. This is our first time doing this in a long time.
Yeah.
And setting it up different. And we're trying to get this straightened out and how this all comes together. So bear with us. I've got a few things though that I want to go over today. And I thank everybody that shared and helped with the giveaway. And I hope the winner really loves the wreath. It is really, really cute. Let me show you a picture of it. Let me show you the thing. I'm used to doing these pic tutorials and stuff. But here it is.
Very, very pretty. And see how big that is? I mean, the pictures don't do it justice on the whole size and how big it is. It's all shiny and glimmery.
It's really shiny and it's sparkly and it's really cute. Red and white thing, the snowman. I always love snowman. This year, I know most people are going to the red and black plaid and the white and black plaid, the buffalo plaid, and it's very, very beautiful too. But now, those of you who don't know, I won my Christmas tree. It's a Whoville Grinch tree, and I won that off of Ben Blinn, and I thank him. It's a beautiful tree, and the kids love it. Okay. Do we have anybody coming up yet?
No, not yet. Oh, we don't have anybody yet. Hello, hello, hello.
Is it all no?
Yeah.
Alrighty. While we're waiting on some people to get on here, because I know some people had to work today and different things, and then you can always watch the replay, guys.
Right.
And then you can laugh at us, because I'm sure we're going to mess up some today, but that's okay.
Well, we're not the best at live, so.
But we're learning. Trying to get Daryl to come on here, but
it's natural.
But he's sure going to have his say, let me tell you. Okay, while we're waiting on a few to get on, I do want to show some of these wreaths that I have. Different color snakes. Now I come up with this last night, and I have not posted it yet.
That's so cute. It's a little snowman.
It's a little snowman. And I even made the hat.
That's cute.
And a cute little bow on it. It's got scrunched up a little bit.
It's alright.
And this is a gift to my friend and Aunt Tara.
Thank you.
Because of her helping me. Guys, she's helping me. She's not charging me anything for all this tech stuff. I'm not good.
Awesome. I like little snowman.
That's kind of help I like.
Yeah, I like.
I'm no good at tech stuff, but she is, and she's really been a big, big help on all that stuff, and I really, really appreciate it.
Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I really do like it. I love little snowmen.
But
I think it's one on my door at home. My husband just don't know it yet.
he might be watching. We've got some little Christmas ornaments that we've been making. And
those are cute.
The
now,
different designs.
Yeah, didn't you make a set with these?
Yes, the whole set, the red and black plaid.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna try to get some of the white and black plaid too, but I used all my materials. So I get some. And then I have these little trees, and these are put inside of real tree bottoms. This is real.
Hello, Edna.
Hey, Edna. And this was your idea. You gave me the design for the rag tree, so thank you. See how cute they turned out? And
I like that. Those are cute.
Yeah, they were real fun to make. And then my husband has been doing woodworks. So he's been cutting out things like deers and trucks and different things. And we're going to start posting some more of these. And he's got a secret project. He hasn't made yet. When he gets it made, it's going to be gorgeous, and I can't wait for him to get it done. And
secret. Ooh.
Then here is the manger scene that
Look how big that is.
He has been making.
That's huge.
Y'all, this wood, he's been tearing down a 100-year-old one-room schoolhouse, and this wood come out of there. You can tell by the grain in the wood. You can see. You might be able to tell too good here, but you can see in the grain of the wood how old this wood is. It's
very pretty.
It's made out of that, and I love the texture. It's got, you can see the little dips and all the different things in it. You can see the different shades. So he's done a very good job. These are very nice and they're very big. And showing some of the different wreaths and things that we've got going. Can you see them?
Yeah, yeah. Very, very
And the
good.
different trees. And then up here at the top, you see those?
Oh, yeah.
And these are some of the ones that we've been making.
Wow. Very talented, very talented. Very good, very good. Hey,
Appreciate-
Michelle.
Hey sis! And we appreciate everybody that's been liking and commenting. And I do have a group page that crafters can get on there and show their things that they're making too. And I really enjoy that. We've had quite a few that settle stuff. But these are rag trees, what they call them, rag trees. They're made out of fabric. They're on a wooden frame and I cover it with felt.
Yeah, that's why I wouldn't tear up your wall or door that you're putting it on.
This takes about a yard and a half of fabric to make these. They're really, really cute. And I have the popular white and black plaid, and then the red and black plaid.
Yeah.
And this one's a metal 10 star, and the other one is a wooden star. Where Daryl cut these out for me, and then wood stained them and sand them.
Wow.
And they're really cute.
They are cute.
And then here's another wreath. 'Tis the season to be jolly.
La 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 la.
It's just cheerful and merry. And if I get the supplies cheaper, I want to bless people, so I'll make cheaper wreaths so that about anybody can buy one. This one I think is $20 or $25. And then the ones that that have more expensive supplies are more expensive. But I want to fix it to where about anybody can get one. And then I'm making other things too. And it's not just wreaths. There's
Hello,
also,
Jeanette.
Hey, Jeanette.
Hey, Alvin.
You're working hard. Hey, Uncle. And these are wall decor for like little girls' rooms. This one is Barbie. You can do any fabric. And you can either look like a little dress with a hairball on top, or a little girl's Christmas tree with a Barbie thing. It's
Well,
pink.
that's cute.
It's pink, and it's sparkly, and it's got Barbie on it. And it is on, what's this called?
Wafer board.
This is wafer board.
Very
It's
soft.
plastic. It won't hurt your walls. It won't scratch or anything. It's real lightweight. So it's perfect for little kids' rooms. And then I have these.
I like that. Look cute.
These are called Swedish braids. These are burlap. And they're folded, and then they're pinned on, and then I cover the back. And then
Those are
I can do different sizes and different colors of these too. And then I have the large one. I just did this is the large board. And it's the same braid, but instead of going out, it goes around. It's called Swedish braid.
That is pretty.
These are pretty. They're time consuming, and they're done on the foam rings. And use pins to put them in, so they're pretty secure. And then on the bows, I fix them to where they're tied on, to where you can remove these bows and change them in and out. So like if you wanted to make this a Christmas one, you could just put a Christmas bow right here on it.
That's a neat idea.
And just leave it out all year round.
That's a neat
And it's
idea.
real handy. But there's all kinds of ideas. And as y'all can tell, I love to craft. I really do. I
Yeah.
have always crafted. I've always had some kind of supplies. And when I go out, most people go shopping for shoes or clothes or whatever. I'll buy crafts.
Thank you, Jeanette. It is a lot of pretty stuff. Yes, absolutely.
Yeah,
She's very talented.
Since there's a few extra on you, I'm going to show you this wreath again. This is the one for the giveaway.
Look how big that is. I mean, it looks a lot bigger than what the pictures actually show.
It's glittery and shiny, and it's really cute.
It is glittery.
We thank y'all for joining us today. This is our first live in a long time, so
Forgive us for not being the best. Yeah.
we're going through with it. And I do want to make an announcement. On December 1st in Mount Vernon, they're having their 3rd annual night market. It's going to be, unless it's canceled because of COVID, but so far it hasn't been. They have vendors who set up all down the street, and they have the Christmas tree lighting, and they're going to have a parade. And we're going to be set up there this year. First time doing it. And we're going to be set up, and we're going to be displaying all of our things to sell. So y'all come and see us. Come and join us.
Yeah.
It'll be a lot of fun. We're probably going to about freeze, but I'm trying to talk Daryl into taking a fire pit. We'll see. But
I'll bring the marshmallows.
we can have s'mores. Okay. And if you have any questions about any of the wreaths or anything, you can just message. We'll try to answer all your messages. If there's something particular that you want to see or you're interested in, just let us know. We'll try to go that too.
Yeah.
But I guess if y'all are ready, we will draw a name for this giveaway. So I think I've covered about everything.
Jeanette told you, said you're very good. Wish she was that crafty.
Thank
Me
you.
too. Me too.
I enjoy it. This is something that I really, really enjoy.
I end up gluing my thumbs together when I try crafts. It's a mess. I mean, I like it, just it never turns out.
Well, I've had a few hot glue burners, but we still go on. All right.
I think, how many was there? 28 or 29 or something?
It was 20 something.
20
And
something.
some of them did like 2 or 3
Multiple
times.
times.
But as far as I know, we've got everybody in here, and I appreciate every one of y'all. I sure do. And now let's see who the winner is.
Da-da-da.
You draw. Draw a name.
Okay, here we go. And the winner is Joyce Mullins.
Joyce, it's Aunt Joyce. You won.
Yay! Alrighty, Joyce.
We want to thank every one of y'all. Thank you, the ones that joined us. We appreciate you. We sure do. Keep up the prayers going for us, because we want to
Absolutely.
do the Lord's will in all of this. And we love you guys.
Bye.